This program contains scenes of nonsensical garbage and coarse language and is intended for a mature audience. Viewer discretion is advised.
Why, hello, my little trash bags. I am so excited for today's video because I was sent some shit. Let's unbox it. And today we have Heymi, the Witch's Game, which is this giant thing here. Bitch is big. She is big. And I'm so excited because, I mean, listen, I know it's August, but it's technically spooky season. And these feel very, very spooky. And I'm going to be going to Halloween Horror Night soon, so I kind of need to have something really spooky to be hanging on my bag, don't you think? I think so. But before we get into the festivities and opening up these little ladies, because yeah, this is literally like a sci-fi teenage drama show just waiting to happen. But before we do that, I do want to say a special thank you to Popboxes. Love you, my love. Love you, my love. I love you, my love. I love Popboxes because not only do they send me things at times, I am a loyal customer. And I love them because they have fast shipping, they have good variety, they often have things that I cannot find anywhere else, usually region exclusives, or my personal favorite, add a print stuff. But lately, I love them even more because recently the Crybabies came out with a whole Care Bears collection. And I'm not the biggest Care Bear fan, however, I want Funshine Bear, I do. So, what did I do? I wanted Popboxes and I bought it. And I'm just patiently waiting for it to arrive. Also, I did purchase a whole pack of Butter Bears, which again, I'm patiently waiting for them to arrive. And with their fast shipping, it should arrive literally in no time at all. I absolutely adore them because they literally just have everything that I've ever wanted or needed. Between their variety, fast shipping, good pricing, and if you want to just buy that specific one, they got you covered. And I really do love them because I feel like every time I go on their website, and I know I say this all the time, I feel like every time I go on there, there's always something new to look at. Things that I didn't know I already fell in love with, okay? I love that for me. They often have really great promotions and they're currently still doing their back to school promotion, which I will put it right here. This is going on, I think, until September 14th. You spend some, you get some money off. And of course, feel free to get even more savings by using my code Theresa, and you can save 15% off your order. So thank you so much to Popboxes. I love you, my loves, and I cannot wait to break open to these little ladies because, like I said, they look like a sci-fi teenage drama show that I wish was a thing when I was a child. But as an adult, I'm still into it. I am. I would totally watch it because there really is nothing else on right now. So yeah, make this a show. Okay, so let's see. Here are all the options for the Witch's Game. I also need to put this down because it's like teetering on the edge. Ooh, here are all the options. Ooh, oh, I love Vivian. Ooh, Mira. Okay, okay. Yeah, these are so... Oh God. I feel like this would be actually more maybe an ABC Family show. Kind of like an offshoot to Wednesday. That's what this is the vibe is that. And you listen, bitch, I'm here for it, okay? Oh, I love Lyria. And listen, I'm not the biggest fan of bunnies. Never have. I don't think I ever will. But these are actually pretty cute though. I gotta say that. Especially when they look like goth queens, okay? That said, I think this is going to be Raverna. I don't know why. I feel like I'm wearing my psychic shirt. Hopefully I'm right. But I think this is going to be Raverna. If it's not Raverna, I think it's going to be Belera, which sounds like a fancy car. No. Oh, no. I was so wrong. It was Mira. Oh. Okay, first of all, how Mira came out looked like that. Okay, she looked like she farted. All right. Oh, I kind of want to leave it like that. Ah, she looks so good. Oh, okay. I know you're not supposed, like, there are several different eye choices, but come on. She would be so perfect for Halloween Horror Nights. Ooh. All right, hold on. Let me show you all the different eye options here. Okay, we have your classic possession. Okay. Hi. You know, hold on. Would help if I could actually see. All right, there's our sweet girl. Okay. All right. Super cute. I do love their eyes. I think they're really fun. I probably go with these. Probably, but honestly, I think I'm just going to do... I think I'm just going to do that. I love her so much. I love her little dress. And she has a little tail. She's so cute. Again, not the biggest fan of bunnies, but this bitch, she gets me. And she's a little possessed, and I love her for that. Now, you do also get a little ring in here as well. Ta-da! And that's what she looks like. Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm definitely leaving the white eyes. She's so good. She's so good. Okay, box number 2. You know, I just want to see, just to make sure that they're not going to go in a row. Let's see if this is going to be Raverna. But I hope it's not, because then that means it's going to be in a row and then like takes the fun out of guessing. But I think this could potentially be Lyria too. Watch it actually be Vivian. But I'm going to say this is Lyria or Raverna. Let's see if I'm right. No. Okay. Ma'am, I'm so sorry. Hold on. Let me fix you. Hold on. Oh, bitch, I was kind of right, sort of. I just realized who it was. Hey, Vivian girl. Oh, okay. I kind of love Vivian. I love Vivian. Vivian is so cute. She is like church chic, okay? Here's the card. Actually, I don't even think I showed you Mira's card. I don't remember if I did. But anyway, here's the card. That's that one. If I didn't show you that one, there's Mira. Look at her. Oh my God, her eyes are fucking everything. She's so soft too. Oh, she's so cute. This is so perfect. Actually, wait, hold on. I kind of messed up her little leggings. Wait, I'm gonna make her little leggings. Okay, there you go. Your little shit right. All right, there you go. Love her eyes. Again, I think I might leave it like that. Actually, no, I like the cross in her eyes. Of course, we have nice little like milky eyes, but I think we're gonna keep the cross. It's kind of giving me like a little bit of an Exorcist vibe. And that's kind of the backstory that I'm giving her. Like her name should be Reagan, actually. Prove me wrong. This is Reagan, and I'm obsessed and I love her. Honestly, both of these. This is gonna be really hard when I have to pick at the end. Shit. All right. And then of course, Reagan also has her little loop. All right, let's see. Box number 3. My guessing is kind of off today, but it's okay though. It's okay. We're going to figure this out. I think this one's going to be Bellara. Is it Bellara? Is it? I feel like I'm pronouncing something else. Bellara. I feel like it could be that. If it's not that, I think it could be Lumira, which is the one right next to it. Let's see if I'm right. Yes. Yes. Wait, hold on. Let me make sure. Because there's 2 that kind of look similar. No. It's okay. It's okay. We got the other. Oh, you're the butterfly one. Okay. All right. Hold on. Let me fix her a little outfit. She's cute though. Listen, she's cute, but I hate butterflies. And before you ask me why, they're too majestic for me. They're too majestic for me. She is cute though. There's her little eyes. Okay. Again, possessed. I really want to just leave them like this because I feel like they look so cool. And then you have her normal kind of milky eyes, but we'll leave her little butterfly eyes. She's cute though. I like her little blue dress. I kind of like her little sad mouth. All right, and then there's the card, of course. I feel like in the sci-fi ABC Family show, like she would kind of be like a background character. Kind of feels like a goody two-shoes. Nothing wrong with that, but like you're not gonna bring the drama like Reagan is. You know what I mean? You're just not. Sorry, honey. You're just not. All right, moving on. Box number 4. I think, actually, wait, who are we missing? We're missing Vivian. Nope, we have Vivian. We have Vivian. I'm so sorry, Vivian. We're missing Mira. Nope, we have Mira. Girl, what are we doing? We're missing Lyria, Lumira, and okay, so we're actually missing like the bottom row there. Okay, so I think this is going to be Bellara, Bellissimo. I think it's going to be that one. If it's not that one, it's going to be Lyria. Watch it not be either, and it's going to be Lumira. Yes, you are Lyria. Okay, thank you. Hello, baby. Okay, here's the card. Super cute. Oh, she is. Okay. Oh, she is pretty. She is super pretty. Oh, she's so cute. I like her little rose dress. I feel like everybody loves her. I don't know. She's kind of like the fashionista. She would go to a Michael's, just grab a random fucking flower off the wall and be like, I'm going to paste it to my dress. And that's what she does. And I kind of like that, you know? I was literally just going to sing The Nanny. I was like, she has style. She has class. And then I realized, not quite. Not quite Fran Drescher here, but she's cute though. Okay, so what do you have in your eyes? We have obviously like the little milky eyes. My personal favorite, possessed eyes. And then we have these, which have like a little bit of like a reddish, a little bit of like, oh no, I see them. Okay, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that, but they have like little roses in her eyes and they're so cute. They're so cute. I like her. She's very dainty. This is like my girly girl, this one. 2 more boxes left. I kind of have a feeling this is gonna be Lumira. If it's not Lumira, obviously it's Bellara, but why can't I say her name? I knew it. Oh, shut up. Your ears are great. Oh my God, I love it. Oh, that is so good. Yeah, the card and like, I feel like the artwork on the box did not do her justice at all. Oh, they're like ghost cats. Oh my God, shut up, girl, shut up. Okay, hold on. Let me show you this. Let me show you her card. Her card is super cute. There's the card. Cute. Look at her. Look at her little ears. That is adorable. I love her. Oh my God, she's so cute. Okay, so here's her eyes, and then we go to the second one. Okay, you know what would be nice if I could touch them? Possessed eyes. But I love these because it has a little ghost cats in them. This one is so cute. Okay, you know, you might be my favorite actually. It's just that ear detail is so good. So good. Box number 6. Do we think that I got the secret? I don't think we did because I think this is going to be Lyria. I just don't feel like we're lucky today. And that's okay. Actually, wait, Lyria we already got. Seriously, girl, really? Valera, that's what I meant. Yes, right? Yes. I feel like I have to question it because they look kind of different a little bit from the box. Yes. Okay. Hello, Bellara. I don't I want to cut. I would love to see like a YouTube short of me just saying this name over and over wrong every fucking time I say it. That could be kind of fun. Anyway, okay, then we got the card. Oh, she is a preppy little bitch. With her little dress, I can't. Okay, so here we got the little milky eyes. Okay, fun. Again, personal favorite, possessed eyes. And then in here, her little eyes are actually little bows, which is super cute. That's adorable. I think I like the little bow eyes the best. Okay. My favorite part. Let's rank these little bitches. Okay, so I think, you know, I'm going to say my least favorite, I think, is Bella. We're going to call her Bella because I can't obviously say her name. I think she's fine. She's kind of giving like Sailor Moon meets like gothic school kid in Wednesday offshoot somewhere on ABC Family. But anyway, that's where she kind of lives. She's like a background player, definitely not the main star. I don't think anyone really cares to watch like a 2-episode arc about like her cheating on a math test. Nobody cares. So for that very reason, I'm gonna say you are number 6. You're still very pretty and I love the bow in the eye, but like I didn't want to, but when I look at the rest of the table, I'm like, I like the other ones a little bit better. So we'll say this one's number 6. Number 5. I think number 5 is gonna have to go to my butterfly baby. The butterfly baby is cute, which I believe your name is Raverna. I think I'm actually giving letters in her name. Raverna is my stage name. Ravena. What is these names? I can't pronounce them. Anyway, Raven. Let's call this one Raven. I feel like Raven should be more, actually no, you're Reagan. Raven should be more her. You don't give me Raverna. You give me Raverna. You don't give me Ravena. So Raverna here, I feel like she's another one that's kind of like in the background. We might see like an episode arc about her taking too many caffeine pills, but like beyond that though, like I don't really find her super interesting. She is very cute though, but I hate butterflies, and for that very reason, she's number 5. But you are kind of cute though, but you're number 5. Number 4, I think it's gonna go to her, my little rose queen, which your name is Lyria. Okay, you kind of look like Lyria. I feel like she has a whole career as a dancer, but like not like not like that. I mean, like I feel like she is just like in a dance troupe. I don't know. She kind of just gives me that vibe that and she's not like top of the pyramid of the dance troupe. She's kind of like not quite the bottom, but like somewhere in the middle. She kind of gets lost in the sauce, but I am willing to watch your 3-episode arc about your mom yelling at you to be a better dancer. So I'm kind of into that one. All right, Number 3. This is where it's hard because I think these 3 are like, to me, like the best of the best, the cream of the crop, and the ones that I actually would like totally just watch a whole show on. I think my number 3, oh, this is so hard because they're so fucking good. It's gonna have to go to my little ghost kitty. I love her. I love her so much. She's so pretty. I love her little dress. I love this detail right here. I think it's just so amazing. And she's gonna look sick as when I have her on my bag flying around this Halloween season. But she's so good though. Now, her whole storyline is that she communicates with the dead. And you know what? I love it. I'm here for it. I want to see at least 2 seasons of it. And I feel like she doesn't actually communicate to like people. It's just pets. It's just animals, which to me are usually better than people anyway. So she's like a little mystic arts mixed with aspiring veterinarian. And I love her. She's so cute. Your name would be, I feel like it'd be Sarah. I don't know. She looks like a Sarah without the H. No, with the H. With the H. All right. I love these two. I love these two so much. It's really hard to choose, but I think you're my number 2. And I need to leave it specifically like this. Your eyes are fine. You know, actually, what is in your eyes? Oh, they're like a little bat wing. Or is it a tooth? No, it's like a little bat wing. It's funny because it looks like a little tooth she's wearing. But I would say this one, though, is my number 2. But again, I have to leave it as like possessed, because as possessed, I think she is 10 out of 10. And I cannot wait to have this like dangling on my bag during Halloween Horror Nights. Like, she's so cute. And I love that. I love her. I love her little outfit. I love her little devil tail. This would be our devil in the show. And her name is Lydia. She kind of looks like a Lydia. Maybe that's what it is. She kind of looks like Lydia in Beetlejuice a little bit, but either way, I'm here for it. I love Lydia, but I think Reagan is the best. I don't know. There's just something about like her sassy little outfit. She's wearing a cross. She has cross eyes. Like, I don't know. There's just something about her. I feel like I just want to be her. I don't know. I'm totally into Reagan. Again, I would totally watch a whole fucking show about her. She is my main star, my main character. I want to see her get into all these kind of shenanigans when she's trying to, like, you know, have exorcisms and stuff. I don't know. I'm totally into it. Totally into it. These were really, really cute. And I feel very firm with my decision that she is my number 1 and my number 2. They're so good. They're so good. Listen, if you were interested in wanting to pick this up, but you wanted a specific one, Popboxes got you. Like, you can go on their site. And if you want Reagan, for example, or hell, even Sarah with an H, you could find her there. These are so cute. Now I would love to hear from y'all. Let me know down below if you have any of them. Do you have the secret? If so, make me jealous in the comments, please. And of course, again, I want to say thank you so much to Popboxes for sending this to me. I love your faces. And again, if you ever want to save a little money on your order, feel free to use the code Theresa and you can save 15% off your order. And yeah, all right, these little ladies and me have to go to work now, which is gonna be very depressing because we have like such a boring day, but staring at these little ladies will at least make the day go by faster. That said, I want to say thank you so much for watching. I love you, my little patrons and YouTube members. Thank you for keeping this garbage boat afloat, and I'll see you little garbage animal crackers tomorrow. Yes, I called you animal crackers. I don't know, I'm workshopping here. Bye.